Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious margarita with triple sec. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 2 ounces of blanco tequila, which forms the heart of our cocktail. Next, measure 1 ounce of triple sec, an orange liqueur that adds a lovely citrus note. Finally, prepare 1 ounce of fresh lime juice for that essential tangy kick. You might also want some agave nectar and coarse salt. Before mixing, let's prepare your serving glass. Take a lime wedge and gently rub it around the entire rim of your glass. This creates a sticky surface. Then, dip the moistened rim into a shallow plate of coarse salt, ensuring an even coating. Finally, fill your beautifully rimmed glass with fresh ice cubes. This chilling step is crucial for a perfectly refreshing drink. Now, it's time to combine our flavors. Pour the 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of triple sec, and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice into a cocktail shaker. If you enjoy a sweeter margarita, add about 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. Fill the shaker with ice, secure the lid tightly, and shake vigorously for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures all ingredients are perfectly blended and chilled. With your margarita perfectly chilled, it's time to serve. Carefully strain the delicious mixture from the shaker into your prepared, salt-trimmed glass filled with fresh ice. For a final touch, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wheel or a simple lime wedge. Take a sip, and if needed, adjust the sweetness or tartness to your liking. Now, relax and savor your expertly made, refreshing margarita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.